Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY or US dollar. So if you are a swing trader, stick with us here in the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. Or go choose depending on your trading style on the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like this when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the SP 500 here, it's still going up like how us we accepted before. Only thing now, us we are here at that level here, that stronger supply and demand zone here. So you need to be a little bit careful, but everything's still looking great. Me personally, I think us we are going to go more higher than that. You remember what me I told you before? I told you about the double bottom here, that one here. I told you when it's going to break, that one here. The take profit for that one is going to be up. Let's make it together here, that the candle will break. We make it like that, so the take profit for that one is going to be here in that peak here, that one here. I don't say the level because depending your broker and which broker you're using. Me, I'm using here to analyze for you Pepperstone, but it's up to you which broker you're using. You see that one here, that peak here, that's where it needs to be the take profit of you here exactly. You see it how it draw with me. So it's left for it more room to go up. I told you in that level here, when we touch it here, that one here, that low here, try to protect yourself because that one is a very stronger level. Last time we spent some time here, we're backing from it, and now the investors, they're looking at that level here. Don't close everything at that level here, just protect yourself and move stop loss to entry point or that level here to be in risk free. And if the market go up more, fair enough. If it's not and it reverse, you take some of the profit and you are risk free, so you will not lose nothing. And another thing, very important, the news which is coming today. Let me show it to you. Before the news, we got that article here in investing.com. Can go and read it. Talking about why the stocks, it go up, that the 4th day also we are going up because the feed is fair, because investors, they are knowing the Fed will not be increasing more. That a very good news, and if that's happening, we will see a major jump and we will break in the last high of 2021. So everything's still looking very great here. Now let me show you the news which is coming today. The news which is coming today, guys, as you see it, that the news, we got the CPI of the Eurozone. That one we need to be focused about that. Then we got core PCI or PCI of USA, and that one is the inflation data or CPI data. The Fed, it follow. It doesn't follow the CPI as we know. It follow that PCI, and that one here is telling them it's going to stay how it used to be before. That's something good. Let's make it like that. The only thing that core PCI here, as you see it, it will go up. It will not stay how it used to be in the previous one. In the previous one, it used to be 4.1. That one here, it's showing it's going to go to 4.2. That's something bad, guys. So you need to be careful because about that one here. Then we got initial jobless claim. That one, it's not a big deal. Plus here, we got that table here. It will telling us the VIX here, what it doing. The VIX, it's still very low. That mass currency is still very low. Also, we are below 20. There is no scarness for US stocks. That's man 13. Everything's still looking great and healthy here. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to analyze for you the SP 500 in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in the SP 500 is only for scalping and day trading. Here, till now we haven't got a price action here at that level here. The only price action you can make now, you can make an uptrend like that as you see it. And you wait it if it's going to be broken down or no. till now everything's still looking great, but I got for you something very important here in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. What I got for you is that divergence here. You see it here, and you see here what we got. We got a divergence because of that PCI which is coming tomorrow. So you need to be careful, guys. Try to protect yourself. You make nice profit with us. Try to protect yourself now. That the only thing I can tell you to enter short if that's happening. If that trend line here, that one here, if the market reverse and break it down here, yes, you can enter short from here to go with it down. Take profit is going to be here or here. So I think picture is too clear. So here in 30 minutes, it's telling us we need to enter short, but not yet tell the price action telling us that, because that one at the end of the day just an oscillator. Even if we got here a divergence, for us to enter short, it need to break for us that trend line. You see me how I draw the trend line from that one here and that one here. Yes, I know it is twice, not third, but it's okay. If it's breaking down here, you can enter short. Even if it is it twice here, it just touch 2 times. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Here in the Nasdaq 100, same thing. The only thing, that one here, it touched that level here. You see it, that level here. We are in it. So guys, try to protect yourself. By protecting yourself, move the stop loss to break even. Try to take some profit, because you don't know what's going to happen, if we're going to break or not down. But till now, there is no price action here telling us we need to enter short. Only thing here, that trend line here, you remember it, that one here from that one and that one. Now you are in it, that the third time we touch it here. Let's see if we're going to reverse from here or not, or we're going to break it from here. If we break it, that means us we're going to go more higher. Also we enter a long base on the double bottom here. People they watching our previous videos, they remember that when we break in here we enter long. Till where now we're making very nice profit till now. Now you are in a very stronger level, so try to protect yourself. The level is it that one here as you see it. Everything is too clear. Let me show you our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, guys, hasn't touched here the overbought area. That means it's still very early. Let me zoom it like that. That means it's still very early for you the market to go up till here, but you need to remember that divergence will pushing the market down. That one here, when we're going to touch it, what the market is going to react, because in the chart we touch it, but here in our indicator we haven't. That means it's left for it more room to go up. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, same thing like the SP500. Only thing here, we don't got any price action here telling us we need to enter short. So that means here the Nasdaq is going to continue going upward more. Till now we haven't got any price action here telling us we need to enter short. Even if we see our indicator like that, yes, we got the divergence. I show you in the SP the same one we got it here. As you see it, you came like that and you do it like that, and from here you do it like that. You see here in the chart the market is going up like that, and here down it's falling down like that. But till now we haven't got any price action here telling us we need to enter short. So we need to wait until the right time till we see a price action. If we haven't seen any price action, there is no entry short, because that one at the end of the day is just an indicator that us we don't base our trade on indicators. Us we enter based on price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. Here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading, guys. Here, you remember what me I've been talking about? I've been talking about that one here. I told you when it's getting broke, it's going to be a short. And that's what's happening here. As you see it, we break it down here. And even another thing, let me show it to you. We break even here the 2 moving averages. The yellow one is the 50 and the red one here is the 100. Both of them we break them. That's when the DXY is going to fall down till it will touch in here the 201 here. Now what should you do at this time? Here for swing trading there is nothing yet. Now still falling down. It's going to fall down till it will touch in here the 200 moving average. Then we're going to see what's going to happen at that time. But now us we are falling down to touch here the 200 moving average. So here in the 4 hours there is nothing yet. You need to wait a little bit. Plus our indicator, guys, look at it, what it's telling us. It's telling us also we're still falling down. Here we will touch down here, oversold area. And also we're going to make a decision based on that. Today, the euro, the cable, all of them, they went up. Me personally, I enter in the cable or British pound USD and make very nice profit from it, and I'm still holding till now because I haven't touched here the oversold area here in the DXY, and even in the cable I haven't touched the overbought area, so I'm still holding my long. Yes, I protect myself, I take 50% and I move the stop loss to break even, but it's going to fall down more than that. So here in the DXY telling us also we're still falling down more. For Bitcoin, you can watch our other channel, his name Thomas Bolito for Bitcoin. We analyze there already Bitcoin. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today for in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here we still with the DXY or US dollar. Here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, look at it, it's more clear than 4 hours. Look here, high, low, high, low. Now we try to give you here another high. Maybe it's going to fall down, maybe not. Now at that time here, what should you do here? Till now you don't got any price action here. You can make something like that, a down channel or a wedge or whatever you call it. But it's going to be very sharp here. So till now you need to wait more till the right time. Maybe we're going to touch it here, then after that we're going to fall down. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator here in 30 minutes, it touch here the oversold area. So technically you need to looking for buy. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. You see it from here, I bring it. Now should you enter long? Not yet, my friend. Yes, you just touched that one and the market showing is going to reverse here, but it's not yet. I see some people, they base the trade when they touch levels like that, they enter long. No, my friend, that one is wrong. If you enter from here till here, no, look at that one, we enter from the top, how much gain he make. Same thing now, you need to wait in here a price action. Till now we haven't got any price action. It's need the market to do like that, and it couldn't break the last low here, then to go back and to break that last high which is here. It's going to give you here like a double bottom or another price action here, head and shoulder or something like that. That is going to be a market behavior. So everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.